let's go to my colleagues who are standing by with a bull versus bear case for Ola Electric. Now, after zooming for about the last three trading sessions, Ola Electric is ailing on a trade today. Both my colleagues Shrishti and Varun are standing by to give us a good sense of what's working and what's not working for Ola Electric. Now, remember, Ola Electric came out with its numbers. We did see, as far as the auto segment EBITDA is concerned, that turned positive for the first time for the company, and we did see that stock surge away in trade on the back of that. But today, it's Ola Electric is declining in trade, and let's go across to my colleagues to get a sense of the bull versus a bear case scenario for the stock.
Well, yes, indeed, after that 15 to 16% jump just post the earnings, we are actually puzzled that what is in play for Ola Electric. So here we are here with the bull versus bear scenario, and I'll take the bull. Varun will take actually the bull call, and I'll take the bear case. And firstly, on to the earnings front, what we have been seeing, Varun, yet again, a disappointing set. Continued losses is what the company has been reporting, and in the latest, though the revenue is down 50%, but the bottom line, over 400 crores is the profit is what the company has reported. But Varun, believe that big promises yet again made.
Definitely. So what has been delivered has been delivered. So you have seen losses that the company has made, and it's been continuous losses that the company is making. But if you look at the guidance that the company has given, the company has said that they would do good volumes going ahead. The volumes would be around 3.25 to 3.75 lakh launches that the company would be doing, the new vehicle sales that the company would be doing, and the revenues that would be around 4,200 to 4,700 crores going ahead. And also that the company has said that they would turn EBITDA positive in FY26. So what has gone, but what is yet to come, that looks very promising.
Indeed, but Varun, off late, the volume figure, the number over there has not been shaping up that well, because as we know that at one point in time, Ola Electric was indeed the leader. The market share was close to 50%, but look at the move now, it's sub that 20% mark. So the volume figure is definitely not shaping up that well, Varun.
Though it was the number one leader, but it has not slipped below the number 3 position, because today if you look, the company commands a market share of around 19%, and they are not far from the number one position. You look at the number one position, you have TVS Motors, the overall market share is 24%. So the only difference is 5%. The day the company turns around, you might see Ola coming back to the number one position. The difference is not much.
Okay, but if you say so, what about the share price? Because from those all-time high levels, the stock is down, I guess, more than 70-odd%. From those 40 levels, we have seen a good move, but is this justified? That's the question.
Okay, the stock is down, no doubt. From the IPO price, it is down. I think so, it has not even touched the IPO price now. It is below that IPO price. It is below the 50-week high that the company was commanding, but you need to look at the technology that the company is developing. It is third generation technology that the company is developing, and EV, the segment within, if you look, it has lot of potential. So if a company which has a market leadership, which used to have a market leadership, it is coming with new technologies, I'm sure that it will command the same market share and the same stock price you might see in the coming days.
But indeed, believe still some time for the brokerages to get bullish on, because just today post the earnings, we have brokerages sell call coming in from Kotak at 30 rupees target. Ambit too has a sell call with a target of just 40 rupees, Varun.
But it is Goldman who has a target price of 63 rupees. Even after the results, they have increased the price target. No doubt it is judged by 3 rupees. From 60 to 63 rupees, but yes, the conviction is coming back, and that's the reason you're seeing big brokerage houses like Goldman raising the price target. Even Citi has a price target of 55 rupees. So there is still upside in the stock price. No doubt, the day you see turnaround, you might see stock prices. In fact, the overall, the targets coming above 100 rupees also going ahead. So no doubt, the overall performance was subdued. You might see the stock price hovering around 40-45 rupees from the 158 prices that they were around 6 months ago. But there is still potential. At least from current levels, you still see around 20 to 25% upside on the current market price that's been given by Goldman and Citi.
All right, indeed, that's the bull versus bear scenario for Ola Electric, and we leave up to you that what should be the verdict for this particular counter.